5 things that you need to know about re-roofing, coming up next.
Number 5, budget and project timeline. Re-roofing a commercial building can be a substantial financial investment. It's important to establish a realistic budget for the project and consider potential cost overruns or unexpected repairs. Additionally, have a clear understanding of the project timeline, as weather and other factors can affect the completion date. A well-planned project schedule can minimize disruptions to your business operations. Number 4, professional roofing contractor. Hiring a qualified and experienced roofing contractor is essential for a successful re-roofing project. Look for contractors with a proven track record in commercial roofing, proper licensing and insurance, and positive references. They should also be knowledgeable about the specific roofing material you've chosen and its installment requirements. Number 3, local building codes and permits. Re-roofing a commercial building often requires compliance with local building codes and obtaining the necessary permits. These regulations can vary depending on your location and the type of roofing material you choose. Ensure you're aware of and follow all legal requirements to avoid potential issues during or after the re-roofing project. Number 2, re-roofing material selection. The choice of roofing material is a critical decision that can impact the durability, energy efficiency, and cost of the project. Common commercial roofing materials include single-ply membranes, built-up roofing, metal roofing, and modified bitumen. Factors such as climate, budget, and building use should influence your material selection. Number 1, assessment and inspection. Before starting the re-roofing process, it's crucial to assess the existing roof thoroughly. This includes inspecting the current condition of the roofing materials, checking for water damage, leaks, and any other structural issues. A professional roofing contractor or inspector can help determine the best approach and materials for your commercial building. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for videos just like this one.